everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive into something out of this world, literally. We are talking about meteors. What are they? Where do they come from and how do they create those stunning meteor showers? Let's find out. First off, what exactly is a meteor? A meteor is basically a piece of space rock, usually a fragment of an asteroid or a comet that enters Earth's atmosphere. As it speeds through the air, the friction causes it to heat up and glow, creating a bright streak of light that we often call a shooting star. But don't be fooled, it's not a star at all. Now, here's a quick breakdown. Meteorite. This is what we call the space rock when it's still out in space. Meteor. Once the rock enters our atmosphere and starts glowing, it's called a meteor. Meteorite. If any part of that rock survives the trip through the atmosphere and lands on Earth, it's known as a meteorite. Pretty cool, right? But what about meteor showers? These dazzling events happen when Earth passes through the debris trail left by a comet. When this debris, mostly tiny dust particles, enters our atmosphere, we see a shower of meteors streaking across the sky. Some of the most famous meteor shower include the Perseids, which peak in August, and Geminids in December. During a meteor shower, you might see dozens or even hundreds of meteors per hour. The best part, you don't need any special equipment to enjoy it. Just find a dark spot away from the city lights, lie back and enjoy the show. While most meteors burn up in the atmosphere, some larger ones make it to the ground as meteorites. These can vary in size from tiny pebbles to massive chunks of rock and metal. Some of the most famous meteorites have created craters on Earth, like the Beringer crater in Arizona, which was formed by a meteorite impact around 50,000 years ago. Occasionally, a meteor can be exceptionally bright and we call these fireballs. These are usually caused by larger meteorites that create an intense flash of light, sometimes even visible during the day. So the next time you see a shooting star, you will know that you are actually witnessing a tiny piece of space rock burning up in our atmosphere. Meteors are a beautiful reminder of the vastness of space and the small but fascinating connections we have with it here on Earth. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more space content, and let me know in the comments, have you ever seen a meteor on a meteor shower? Until next time, keep looking up.